Namaste, my dear friends. This is Vijay Raja, Chartered Accountant. Pranam to all of you. We are coming out with an amazing revision sessions on company law as well as other laws, starting from 8th of December and goes on till 15th of January. Make use of these sessions. It will be absolutely free every day at 5 o'clock. Star 5 at 5 o'clock every day, 90 minutes, 5 to 6:30 every day. For whom is this session useful? This will be useful for anybody who wants to learn Companies Act, who wants to revise Companies Act, want to refresh Companies Act. They feel they've forgotten Companies Act. You want to revise it. Here is a beautiful opportunity to learn, revise, and recap on the entire Companies Act and other laws. And especially for those students who are writing the opt-out option of January examinations of intermediate, or in May 21 or November 21, it's going to be very useful. Why do we feel this will be a useful session? One, I'm ensuring it's given to you free, very useful sessions. And in this session, there'll be a lot of things that I will be covering. Just to share a few things to you, I will be teaching you in the charts format about what the law is all about, how the law was created. Then I talk about the understanding of laws. Then we'll go into the entire structure of companies. Now, when I go into the structure, it will all be in chart form, presentations done in a way that it's so easy to understand. Very easily, you'll appreciate all these provisions. So this will be very useful for all of you. Number one. Second, it doesn't stop there. I will also be giving you a lot of these notes which will help you to understand things better. Like this, for example, if you can see here, I will explain in detail each of the concepts. This was an example on holding company, subsidiary company. Plus, I will not only do this, I will also take up some of the examinations questions for you. What do I mean by I'll take up some examination questions? I will deal with some exam questions, explaining to you as to what the question was and how we are supposed to deal with these answers for them and so on. So everything will be covered in these sessions. Very useful. Fine, sir. We have understood that this will be useful, but how do I get into this? Where do I get these sessions? As I said, it is starting from 8th of December. I want you to follow me at the Unacademy platform, or you can come into our website vijayraja.com. So even if you come into vijayraja.com/unacademy, and you can follow me through this, or one more option, let me share that also here. Now these sessions will be absolutely free, and you have to use my code VR10. If you use my code VR10, with this code VR10, you will ensure that you join all these classes absolutely free. Every day, 90 minutes, starting from December 8th, ending on January 15th, will be these sessions. So don't miss it. I want you to be part of these sessions. It'll be very useful. Tell all your friends to join in. It will be useful for them. Plus, at the Unacademy platform, if you use my code of VR10, then at the Unacademy platform, you'll also get a 10% discount on any of the paid sessions, the plus classes, which happens on the Unacademy platform. That will also be given to you at a 10% discount. But these sessions, which I am announcing now, which I've told you right now, they will be absolutely free sessions, free for all. So anybody who wants to recap, refresh themselves, revise the Companies Act, either come on to my website, vijayraja.com/revise. Then it'll take you there. Or the other way of doing it is, 1 minute. Yeah. Or the other way of doing it is, I want you to follow me on the Unacademy platform. That is also there, vijayraja.com/unacademy. Do this, follow me, see you all. It can be for anybody, absolutely anybody. Suppose one of them feels, it's been a long time since I've revised. It's been a long time since I revised about law. Then here we are, 90 minutes every day. in the evening. Please join me. Let's have fun. Let's study together. And I'll teach you all the provisions. And especially for those students who are writing in January or in May or in November of the next year, ask them to join. Absolutely free. It will be really useful for them. Plus, on the Unacademy platform, there are a lot of other fabulous things happening. To join in, take advantage of all these sessions. Love you all. I'll see you soon from 8th of December, starting at star 5 o'clock. Love you all. See you. Bye-bye.